Welcome to the new and improved TBS Get Paid app, specially made for TBS clients to make it even easier to get fast, same-day pay for your loads, anywhere, anytime. The new and improved home screen gives you a snapshot of your schedules, invoices, and more, keeping you up to date on where your money is. Easily navigate to your schedules one of two ways, either by clicking the Schedules button on the bottom of your screen or by clicking a status in the PaperView summary box titled Schedules. By clicking on a status in the PaperView summary box titled Schedules, you will immediately be routed to the Schedules homepage and see the schedules filtered by that status. If you click the Schedules button on the bottom of the home screen, you will be routed to a Schedules page that offers two options: View Schedules or View Invoices. Clicking View Schedules will take you to the Schedules homepage. Once you are in the Schedules homepage, you can select filters by date range or by status type. After applying your filters, you will see each one at the top of the page. You can easily remove or add another filter at any time. After clicking into a schedule, you will see the newest TBS Get Paid feature, our PaperView tracker. The PaperView tracker is a status bar that shows what stage of the process your schedule is in and gives details about what each status means. Easily find information about your invoices by clicking on a status in the PaperView summary box titled Invoices on the home screen. The other icons on the home screen are the New button, which allows you to create a new schedule, the Customers button, which takes you to your customer list where you can view your credit lines or request new credit, and the More button, which gives you multiple options such as search for freight, TBS Fuel Finder, contact us, and more. The TBS Get Paid app is not only the easiest, but also the smartest way to access, manage, and track your factoring business with TBS.